YouTube, JB from Oz. Doing a bit of clean up in the workshop yard at the moment. Just thought I'd take the opportunity to grab a bit of footage of the Healey 106 that we have. Now, stripped actor chassis. Obviously it needs a fair bit of work, but the chassis itself looks pretty solid. There's no obvious holes through the chassis. Underneath there's a few little bits where it's got a few pokies, but I think on the whole we've got a pretty good start point. I mean, even the sills don't look too bad. So that's the Healey 100, and then over here, not quite as completely dismantled, is the Healey 104, complete with the shell grill.
I've seen that trial somewhere.
Yeah. Your track. Yeah, so the Healey 100. High energy cams. Lovely speckled blue paint job. It's had a bit of stuff cut out, but it all looks pretty solid behind all the cuts. So hopefully yeah, a bit of fix up on the bottom of that. Shroud obviously needs some attention. At least this shroud is in one piece. And let's see, floor pans. This is on the 106. It just looks promising. Like there's actually thick metal. Anywhere there's a pierce, like down there, you can see, yeah, down there it looks like a hole, but it looks like it's got solid metal around it, like it's been bashed through rather than it's been rusted out. That's a really solid feel. Scuttle, all feels really solid. So as much as I'd hate to guess, it is a left-hand drive car of course, so I have to convert that across. As much as I'd hate to guess at how it may actually end up, we've got half a chance, I reckon. So this one, I was hoping to convert to an electric vehicle. Just dump a decent drive in here. Silent killer. Back on onto the 100. Further looking underneath. Just remember, of course. Got a few panels from Kilmartin's up in there to replace bits that came with it. That sill's looking pretty bad, but that's an outer sill. We should be able to cope with that pretty easy. Yeah, this surprisingly looks fairly promising. Brake master's in place here. Cylinder up there. And again, we've got some panels at the back. This is all looking reasonable. Who can tell, but maybe. Drippage. One day, she will live again. It's down in storage. We haven't pulled that apart yet, but it was complete with the car. So here we have one of the 6 motors, Healey 6. Down behind there, another block of another 6. Couple of heads, whole pile of running gear, oil pump, suspension, water pumps, SUs, rear carbs, some wheels and steering wheels and bits and bobs, starter motor stuff, hoods, dash. And another gearbox for overdrive. Should be nice. Another steering wheel. Looks all pretty nice. It's the 6, is it? Prop shaft. Some tramp bars off it. That looks like the 4-cylinder exhaust. Some sort of gearbox remote. There's probably one of the bug eyes. Starters, generators, wheel hubs. More prop shaft, fan blade, fuel tank there. That looks like rear axle with splines for the wires. So that's probably the form. There's the motor for the Healey. That's a freshly rebuilt motor. 3 for paint. That's a Healey 100 motor built to 100M spec, so it should be quite a nice beast. It's built by Ray Abbott, so it'll be really nice to actually fire that up one day. In the meantime, the mission was to pull out all the parts for the Bobcat trailer. So this is going to be dual axle, brand new hubs, brand new disc drums, electric drums, and rear hitch, breakaway brake system, so we can make sure she trails nice behind the ute. New lights, new pins, new everything. So that should be a complete set of everything we need. My mate's picking this up today. Hopefully we'll get some work happening on it this week. Yeah, it was a plant trailer. My Bobcat's a bit wider than it was, so I've cut it down in half. I'm just going to make it a bit wider, build the structure back up, and it should be lovely. Fun times.
Manual, which means if in this situation it's all locked in, you can't retract it all the way.